Kagarara mu bintu bya mbere yigirira icyizere kandi ari yaminiya. We arakubwira ati disability is not inability. Kuba waramugaye cyangwa se ufite ubumuga runaka ntibivuze ko udashoboye ibintu.
Oh, he there. Oh, shoot. Hey, we gotta do the push-up. Real quick. We gotta do the push-up. Ready? Are you ready? We ready? Come on. Two, three. You gotta give me a count. Give me a count. 6, 8, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 54, 55, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 68, 69, 70. It's love. Look at the shirt though. It's love, bro. Hey, brother. It's love, bro. I'm so happy. You've been going crazy, bro. You've been going crazy, bro. Give him mic. How old are you? Yep. 5 years old. You got the mic? 25? Yeah, let's mic him up real quick.
Ibaze ko Kagarara ngo yagiye gutuma Ashton Hall amanuka I Kigali mu Rwanda.
How old are you?
Yep. 5 years old.
25?
Yes.
Yeah, let's mic him up real quick.
Where's my boy?
You 25?
Yeah, 25.
You from Rwanda, right?
Yeah, I'm from Rwanda.
We trying to go there.
Yeah.
I want to go to your hometown.
Yeah.
Have you been to Ghana before?
No, it's the first time.
First time?
Yes.
So where all have you been in Africa so far? What places have you seen so far in Africa?
No, there's no place I have this first time.
Nowhere?
Yeah, nowhere.
You haven't been to Nigeria? Nowhere?
Nowhere.
Dang.
Yeah, this is my first flight.
First flight?
Yeah.
No. Love, bro. Love.
Yeah.
Dang. Okay. So, what got you into fitness? Like, how did you start fitness?
Fitness?
Yeah.
It's in 5 years ago.
5 years?
Yeah, 5 years ago.
Only 5?
Yeah, only 5.
Bitari kera Kagarara ashobora kuba brand ambassador wa Visit Rwanda.
Hi, Aston Home. My name is Wize Enoch, but most people know me as Kagarara. I was born with disability, and for many years people told me what I could never do. Instead of listening to them, but I chose to prove them wrong. Today I invite you to Rwanda, not only to compete with me in fitness challenge, but to discover some things much bigger. Come and experience the beauty of Rwanda, the land of thousand hills, and witness the incredible potential of people living with disability. I want to show you that disability is no inability. Across Rwanda and Africa, there are thousands of talented people with disabilities, breaking barriers every day. Their stories deserve to be seen by the world. And by the way, Asho Speed came to Rwanda. We competed and I beat him. So now I have one question. Guess who's next? You, Aston. Come to Rwanda, train with me, compete with me, explore Rwanda with me, and together let's show the world that greatness has no limits. Aston, Rwanda is ready. The challenge is waiting. I will be waiting for you. Kagarara from Rwanda.
Kagarara arakubwira ati disability is not inability. Bishatse kuvuga ngo kuba waramugaye ntago bivuze ko udashoboye. Ibi ngibi Kagarara uyu nguyu abyerekana mu buryo butandukanye akora imyitozo ngororamubiri cyangwa se ibijyanye no kubaka umubiri bigiye bitandukanye. Ngira ngo abantu bazi Kagarara uyu nguyu ni mugufi ariko noneho afite ikintu bita kubaka umubiri guteye ubwoba, umugereranye nabo ngabo ba Rutambi, umugereranye n'aba Ashton Hall, umugereranye n'aba Aisho Speed n'abandi batandukanye bubaka umubiri binyuze mu buryo bwa siporo ndetse no mu buryo bwa showbiz. Donc bo bakora ikintu cya siporo ariko mu buryo bwa entertainment. Uyu Kagarara, uyu muhungu rwose ukomoka ari Cyangugu mu murenge wa Giheke, uyu nguyu yaje kuza ku mbuga nkoranyambaga ndetse aturutse kuri kaminuza, kubera ko uyu Kagarara mubona uyu yize kaminuza aranayirangiza, yagraduatinze vuba ahangaha aturutse hariya muri UR hariya za Nyagatare. Uyu Kagarara yakomeje kugenda akora siporo mu buryo bwa entertainment, agahura n'ibyamamare bitandukanye. Muribuka neza Kagarara uyu nguyu ko ari umwe rukumbi wabashe guterurwa n'icyamamare ku isi yose uwo bita Aisho Speed ubwo aheruka mu Rwanda. Nagahigo Kagarara yaciye, kuko byonyine kugera kuri Aisho Speed na security yabaga afite byari ibintu bigoye cyane, byapfaga kwemera. Uyu Aisho Speed yateruye Kagarara, banavugana imbona nkubone ndetse banakora competition mu bijyanye n'ubundi no gutera pompage. Uyu Kagarara yarakomeje arakomeza akora ama challenge atandukanye, akora utuntu dutandukanye. Abo ba Rutambi barahuye, Rutambi urabizi nawe mu byo kubaka umubiri ni uwa mbere, ariko noneho Kagarara uyu nguyu kugira ngo abemeze neza ko ashoboye, hari uwitwa Ashton Hall. Uyu Ashton Hall ni umunyamerika uzwi neza cyane mu bijyanye no kubaka umubiri mu buryo bwa showbiz, kubera ko impande zose aba arimo amurika ibikorwa bye bigiye bitandukanye. Uyu Ashton Hall amaze kuzenguruka hirya no hino mu bihugu bitandukanye. Mu Buhinde yagiyeyo, mu bihugu by'Abarabu hariya muri Emirates Arab, aho ngaho yagiyeyo. Ubu ngubu uyu Ashton Hall atahiwe kuba azenguruka Afurika, aho yamaze kumanuka muri Afurika akaba tayari yahereye mu gihugu cya Ghana. Uyu muhungu rero Ashton Hall mu gihugu cya Ghana yaje kuba akubitwa surprise, agiye kubonabona aho yarari. Bigaragara ko hari nko kuri stade haza imodoka nziza cyane, ivatiri Lamborghini ya danger itera amatara, iri ku muvuduko, iri kuri defile ya danger, yesikotinzwe bikomeye cyane. Agiye kubona Ashton Hall hasohotsemo icyamamare Kagarara from Kigali Rwanda. Uyu Kagarara yasohotsemo cyane ari kuri swaga za danger, yiyaminiye kabisa, asimbuka ebana avuga ati nahigereye ni ngewe Mr Kagarara uyu nguyu mwabonye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga nkora ama challenge. Uyu rero Kagarara ngira ngo kugira ngo agere kuri ibi byose naho aherutse gukora challenge yavugishije abantu benshi ku mbuga nkoranyambaga, cyane cyane kuri Instagram, aho iyi challenge yaramo yigana uyu Ashton Hall uyu munyamerika. Kagarara yakoze video iragenda, ubu ngubu tuvugana iri gukabakaba muri miliyoni nk'enye z'abantu bayirakinze. Ama views yo ni miliyoni zirenga 200 ku rukuta rwa Instagram rw'uyu mugabo bita Kagarara from Kigali. So Kagarara kimara gukora ino challenge, yari challenge imeze yari challenge yerekana Kagarara mu gitondo cya kare saa 11 abyutse, icyakora karaba mu maso, nyuma yo gukaraba mu maso agira gutari borosa, akagira gute ibikorwa byose mbese kugeza ku munsi we agiye mu kazi. Kagarara yakoze ibyo bikorwa byose birangira anyuze mu dusiporo twa mu gitondo tw'ingororamubiri, ahita akomereza mu murimo aho yagiye kubumba amatafari ya rukarakara. Bigaragara ko nyine ariko kazi yari agiye gukora uwo munsi. Donc yerekanye ibikorwa bye byose kuva byutse kugeza ageze mu murimo. Ibi ni ibintu bisanisha na Ashton Hall, kubera ko nawe ni umuntu ugunda kwerekana ibikorwa bye bya buri munsi muri ubwo buryo, uko abyuka, ibyo akurikizaho mpaka umunsi wose akawerekana muri ubwo buryo. Iyi video yazamuye bita Kagarara, isi yose iratigita. Kagarara aramenyekana hirya no hino ku isi yose. Kagarara rero uyu nguyu yaje guhabwa ubutumire hariya muri Ghana birangira agiye atungura umuntu bita Ashton Hall kuri stade. Kagarara asohokamo yasaza ari mu kirere, Ashton Hall amubonye aratungurwa cyane, surprise arangije ahita abwira Kagarara ati tutaragira ibindi tuvugana, challenge ya pompage hasi vuba. Kagarara rero nk'umuntu wiyaminiya, Kagarara buriya ikintu cya mbere ari yaminiya, kandi burya umuntu wiyaminiya byanze bikunze ibintu abigeraho. Ndakubwiza ukuri, iyo wigirira icyizere wiyaminiya ibintu ubigeraho. Kagarara mu bintu bya mbere yigirira icyizere kandi ari yaminiya. We arakubwira ati disability is not inability. Kuba waramugaye cyangwa se ufite ubumuga runaka ntibivuze ko udashoboye ibintu. Kagarara rero yahise avuga ati uri tayari, are you ready? Ashton Hall ati twagiye. Bakubise pompage bageza muri za 40-50. Uwitwa Ashton Hall icyamamare cy'Amerika mu gukora siporo aratsindwa. Kagarara asigara akomeje pompage buryo Kagarara yagejeje muri za 70. Ahangaha ebana Kagarara yahise aca gahigo. Kagarara yahise agaragaza ko ibintu abishoboye, nubwo ameze kuri ariko ibintu arabishoboye. So Kagarara ubu ngubu rero yahise akomezanya n'uyu Ashton Hall mu macarinje atandukanye, mu gusura amakipe cyangwa se amatimu ya siporo hariya muri Ghana iyakara. Kagarara ameze neza cyane, arimo aravuga ati ubu ngubu byose ndabikesha Imana kandi n'ibindi bitari ibi nzabigeraho. Abanyarwanda mukunda kugira ishyari, Kagarara rwose mumushyigikire, kubite commentaires zimushyigikira. Kagarara mu mwankuraje, mu motive, hanyuma Kagarara azamura idarapo y'u Rwanda, kuko ubu yatangiye kuzamura idarapo y'u Rwanda. Mwabyiboneye iyakara, kandi televiziyo zitandukanye cyangwa se channel zikomeye zirimo zerekana uwitwa Kagarara n'idarapo y'u Rwanda hariya agenda aca agahigo hariya mu buryo butandukanye mu bijyanye na siporo no kubaka umubiri. Kagarara no muri comedy kandi Kagarara arakumena, ntabwo ajya korohera. Umwana w'umushi wa hari igihe kirero ebana bashi bose nizera ko bamuri inyuma n'abandi batandukanye, abashi gusa abanyarwanda bose muri rusange bashyigikire uwitwa Kagarara wacu akomeze muri kitara hariya muri Ghana ndetse n'ahandi hatandukanye azagereyo. Ibaze ko Kagarara ngo yagiye gutuma Ashton Hall amanuka i Kigali mu Rwanda akaza kubera uwitwa Kagarara wa mucarenjinze bikomeye cyane. Ubu ngubu noneho Kagarara agiye kuba Visit Rwanda, ikirango cya Visit Rwanda, kandi bitari kera Kagarara ashobora kuba brand ambassador wa Visit Rwanda.
I have to change for you, my boy. I have to change for you.
What you got?
Yeah, I have to change for you. My name is Kagarara, bro.
Kagarara.
Kagarara. Say Kagarara. My name is Kagarara.
Kagarara.
Yes, I have to change for you.
What a challenge.
Yes, to change. May I show you? If possible, may I show you to change I have for you?
You got what for me?
Yes, yeah.
What do you have for me?
To challenge for you.
What challenge do you got?
Yeah, the first one to make push-up for you, my boy.
Push-up?
Push-up, bro.
You want to do a push-up?
Yeah, your brother want to... Come on.
Wait, it's just me and him. Me and him doing a push-up. What? Wait, shot.
Just I'm coming here.
No, me and him doing a push-up. Nah, hell nah, bro. Hell nah. Hell nah. You want to keep. You wouldn't even give me. I'm